going to do for you? God have mercy.
Guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use either landscape or portrait mode. After that, you come out and sit down. The only thing you need to do here is just to raise your hand. Then you leave your hand like that for some few seconds or some few minutes, all right? Then after that, save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Okay guys, click on Capcut, okay? Click on new video, all right? Import your video to workspace. The next thing is to click on your video and click on volume, okay? Click on your video, click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. So at this point, you go and look for freeze. You click on freeze here, look at freeze. You click on the first part and delete it, okay? Come to the second part and click it and look for overlay. Then you overlay this part, okay? Click on the background and drag it. After dragging it to your duration, you click on the second layer, the video, and drag it to the beginning, okay? After that, we are going to be trimming it a little bit. You still take it to the beginning. So we will do expansion here. You click, then you expand for a better scene. Reveal yourself the more. After positioning yourself, just come down and do your positioning. Then you go and look for where you want the video to end. So after this now, you click here. We are going to be making a split on this part, okay? So click here now. Then you are going to be making a split, okay? Split it. Click on the second one and split it as well. Then you are going to be deleting the two of them because we don't need them again. Then after which you come back, locate where you raise your hand. Immediately you raise your hand, you click here. You are going to be making another split, okay? After which you go and look for overlay. Click on overlay there, add overlay, locate your serpent, which is the snake. Go and look for it. Click on your snake and import it. You click it and click on volume, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. You click it and go and look for remove BG, okay? Click on remove BG, you click on chroma key, you drag it to green point, mark on that good and go back. Click it again and look for adjust. Click on adjust, guys. When you locate it, click on adjust, look for HSL, click on it. You reduce saturation to 100%, okay? Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, go and look for mask. Click on mask, click on circle, okay? Then you come and circle this your snake so that you remove that round part, the down part of it, okay? So circle it. Come down to do your circling so that your circling will look okay and perfect, okay? This part is very, very important. After doing that, you are going to be playing with this feather icon down here. After playing with it, you are going to mark on this good. Then you are going to be going back, guys, okay? After playing with the feather, mark on this good, then you go back, drag the snake up to this point, you click it, then you are going to go and look for transform. After positioning it the way it's going to be, click it and look for transform, okay? Locate transform, guys. Go and look for transform. Click on transform here, then you click on mirror so that you turn the snake the other side. Mark on that arrow there, then you go back. Now is the point of positioning your snake, how it's going to be. So do your necessary adjustments, okay? After adjusting it, remember to click on these 3 arrows here. You click on that 3 arrow, okay? But do your necessary adjustments first, all right? After the whole adjustment, placing your snake in the part of your hand where you want it to be, all right? Then you are marking on this arrow here. Then you go and look for layer. Locate layer, guys. Look for layer, look for layer, look for layer. Click on layer, look at layer there. Click on this arrow here to hide the snake. Mark on that good, then you go back. Click that your hand part now, which is the second layer. Then you go and look for mask. Click on mask now. Click on horizontal, okay? turn this line the other way around. Look at what I am doing. Turn it the other way around. By turning it, you are revealing the snake. Again, then you drag the line up completely after the snake. After dragging it up completely, can decide to play with the feather icon, optional. Okay, after the whole thing, okay, the next thing we are going to be applying on that video is keyframe. As you add your keyframe now, you start adjusting your video and start dragging your line down as you are revealing the snake. You adjust your video, drag the line down. As you are dragging the line down, you are revealing the snake now. Okay, so this is what you keep doing, but we are going to be fast forwarding this part. We don't want this place to be too long. You've known what to do here. So after that, when you get to this part, do it gradually so that this line will not cut your head. It's very, very important. So when you adjust your video, try to adjust the line the other way around so that it will not cut your head. Make sure you do here, because this is where the magic is, so that it will be perfect. After adding the whole line now, just calm down and do your necessary adjustments. After the whole thing now, you are going to be marking on this good to go back. Okay, click on this green screen because we are going to be making another adjustment. Click on this green screen. You are going to be adding keyframe to it as well. Click on it, add keyframe. Then you locate where the serpent is not exactly in your hand. Then you adjust it to make it align, make it to be in the point, at the point of your hand. Okay, you just calm down. Look at that place, it has gone off. Adjust it to be at the point of your hand. That is the reason for adding keyframe to that snake layer now. Okay, so watch it to the end. Then you do your necessary adjustment. This part has gone off again. As you adjust it, you drag it. No, it's too much. Bring it down, make it align. Okay, after which, this is what we have got. Then we are going to be marking on this green screen serpent to make a split and delete the last part. Click this part and trim it because it's too long. Then after that, the video is ready. You play it from the beginning. Remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, and after adding all that, you can now export your video to your gallery. This is good, very fantastic. You can do this with your smartphone at the comfort of your home. Alright, after watching the whole video now, the next thing to do is to click on export, guys. Then you export this video to your gallery. You can see the video have started exporting a size patient. Alright, now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you have any magic effect you would like us to create together, drop it at the comment section. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.